If your Galaxy is stuck and updates won't appear, don't stress, I got you. That's why I'm here. If you have successfully flashed One UI 7 on your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra but haven't received any updates since, here are two likely reasons. The number one is that your model isn't the SMS928B. Translation: the firmware link I shared in the previous video was only for the international variant, which was the SMS928B. So, if you're using any of the devices listed here, then flashing the firmware meant for the S928B can break OTA, which means over-the-air updates, meaning no new updates will show up automatically. The reason number two has to do with your CSC conflict, which means your country code. Another common issue is a mismatch between your device's CSC, which means your country code, and the firmware that you flashed. For example, if you flash an EU firmware onto a US model, your phone no longer matches Samsung's update servers, and OTA updates may stop showing up. So what can you do to fix this? Number one, you need to check your exact model number. Go to Settings, About Phone, and verify your model number. Number two, you can reflash the correct firmware for your device's region using tools like Frija or SamFW tool, but in my case, I use the Odin because it's the one I'm more familiar with. Or number three, you can just wait for your model's official One UI 7 update to roll out, if it hasn't already, because after all, we're dealing with Samsung. Or you can just drop your exact model number in the comment section and I'll try to guide you through the right fight. If this helped, give this video a like and share it with someone else who might be stuck in the same situation. And of course, don't forget to subscribe because more help, more guides, more poetry is always on the way. When tech gets tricky and bugs appear, you've got me. I'm always near. Thanks for watching everyone. I'll catch you in the next one.